All right, to get data, we need to be able to ask everyone, which is a census, or we can take a sample. In statistics, population means everyone included in the study. A census is the whole population. In Australia, we had a census in 2017. It didn't work because it was online and it crashed, and the next one will be in 2021. Censuses are hard to do and expensive, and you have to get every single person or it's a sample, and obviously it's harder to get every single person, so often a sample is used. We need to determine which one's best for a sample or a census. To find the most popular car to drive in Maitland, if we take a sample, there's no possible way we can ask everyone, so we take a sample. Find the exact number of young kids in Maitland with the view of building a new playground. That's a census, and they could have used the 2017 data. Investigate the TV viewing habits of Australia. They do that through a sample because they don't ask every single person. Okay, there's different types of samples. Random sample, for example, I just ask anyone, pulling people's names out of a hat. A systematic sample is a system, so we might have a production line and I pick the 50th of each one off and make sure it's okay and check it for quality, or I might choose the 10th person coming in the door. A stratified sample is where a population is divided into levels. I have to make sure my sample has equal weighted from those levels. And a self-selected sample, people choose to participate if they like, but this could lead to bias. Okay, which type of sample would you use to investigate? The option in Year 11, students on the food in the canteen, I would go a random. The quality of a certain type of mobile phone, a systematic. I would ask a system. The amount of time spent on electronic devices in Australian school, you would need a stratified, because it could be more students in Year 10 than there are in Year 2, or more in Year 2 than they are in Year 10, and that could give a bias reading. And an SMS poll about the speed limit P-platers should be allowed to do, I think that's a random. Or they could have a system every third number. Okay, I'll pause here because the next one's an example on how to do a stratified sample, and I'll make another video.